So hi, I am Luiz Pablo and I am going to show you how to install the motherboard and the power supply and the system unit. So first, connect the fan to the over here. Okay, connect it. And then lock it. Make sure that it is locked because okay, then that. Then connect the wire of the fan to the motherboard. And then place the motherboard at the system unit. Make sure that the ports are properly placed. Here. And now screw the motherboard. So I am having a hard time making the screw. And screw. Oh wait, I am wrong. So make sure that the screw is properly placed over there. Oh, it's hard. You need patience. Wait. There. And the next screw over here. Screw it. Screw. And make sure that this one is properly screwed. And the last screw of the motherboard over here. Screw it. Done. Now we're done screwing. Next is we're gonna put the power supply. So again, make sure that the ports are properly placed. And put the screw, properly placed on the screw. Now we're done screwing. So in my case, other screws are missing. Now connect the wire to the motherboard. Make sure that this and then the wire that is coming from the power supply, connect it to the motherboard. And and next connect this to this. Wait. Connect this again. Connect this wire over there. There. The white choo-choo. Okay. Ba't ayaw? Yan. Now we're done. Ito. Okay, now that's how you remove, that's how you install the motherboard and the power supply. Now, I am back, and I am here to show you how to remove the power supply and the motherboard. So, remove the power supply and screw it. Yeah. Unscrew. Oh, it's hard. After you unscrew it, remove the wires of the power supply. The wire that is connected to the fan. No, beside the fan. Dali agad mo sa mga. And this wire. And this. Remove this. Okay. Okay, next, unlock the fan to the motherboard. So after that, now you're done. And then next is unscrew this, the 3 screws. Keep this screw. Okay, wait. Just get that thing. Now, I forgot. The power supply is now, what's that? Was now removed at just remove it, and then the motherboard too. Well, that's all. That's how you remove the motherboard and power supply. Bye.